Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, let's implement color animation to our composables. Before we start, if you find this video helpful or learn anything new, do hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for Android related content. So let's start. So we are inside our main activity here. First, let's make a separate composable so we can preview it. Let's name our composable animation screen. Let's come down here and add preview annotation. Composable. Now, let's see the preview. So it works fine. Now, let's take a column composable here, then give it a modifier. Now let's add an icon here so we can apply our color animation on that. Now this is just an icon. Now I want to perform an action. When we click on this icon, we want to change this from black to red. So for that we need to save its state. Let's create a variable. Let's set this true by default. After this, let's set color here. Color will be red or else it will be gray. Here we have a print parameter. So now we are done. Let's make this icon clickable here. When we click, we will just set this to false. Okay, now it's done. Now if you enter, it works fine, but we don't see any animation here. Click it, we don't see any animation. So for that, what we have to do is here set this by animation color as state, and this target, paste this here. Now if we interact with it, still we don't notice anything. Everything is the same, so we don't see any animation. Actually the animation is working right now, but it's so fast that we cannot observe with our humanly eyes. So now what we have, another option is animation specs. So in this animation spec, we have an option for in this twin we have a parameter for duration. So if we set large duration here, so with this what will happen is it will, now if you notice, you can notice, let's increase this. Now if you click on this, we notice the animation here. it's not just for this. I can just add a button over here, button, set a text, set this text to with me, and then we have a color here, and then button default color, and this default we have container color here, and here we can pass this color. We can make a different color combination for this button, but I'm using the same combination here. And again, if we click on this, it changes. So we can use this color animation any place we want, any composable we want. That is. So this is it. This is how we animate color in composable. If you find this video helpful or learn anything new, do hit that like button. And if you have any doubt regarding this video or Android animation related, Jetcompose animation, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to help you with that. Thank you.